Gold so far for the day traded in a no trade zone 1944-1954 zone, as we discussed in our Asia and Europe session few hours back, that this is a zone where we are not going to take any precision position precisely. Gold stayed within the zone. At the same time, if you look at US crude, I asked you to sell at 87 because see 87, 87.6 is going to remain a great resistance zone, and below 87 is 86.6, below which further bearishness is going to prevail. It dropped towards 85.5 and now has bounced back a little. Now what to expect from gold and crude oil with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do like, share, subscribe and comment, which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis for gold and crude oil. This is the second update for the day. Thus press the bell icon or join my free Telegram channel for more updates. Now look at the hourly charts on gold here. See, it has formed a base at 1945 levels here. Very good support was seen, as we discussed in our earlier update, that this is going to be a support zone. With that as support, gold has seen a rise, and 1954 again proven out to be a great resistance. If you look at the complete movement, now the support is seen first at 48 and then at 45. These two are going to remain greater support levels for gold for the day. Breaking below 44, certainly we can expect that it is going to trade bearish. We are looking forward to 40 and 35. 35 is the major reversal level below which gold will turn bearish. If you look at the charts here, see the bullishness here is not much. It tried to move upside, but every time it has got the resistance on the upside. And see the candle size, the body sizes are very small, though it is carried away with the tails out there, that the prices are not willing to stay bearish either. And hence we have to wait for a clear-cut direction as of now. What has happened here is, see, after the rise here, prices retraced towards the 20 period. Now 20 period moving averages have seen a rise here, and again taking the support from the 20 period, we are looking forward to a rise. Now it has to break below this zone in order to confirm the bearish bias as of now. Yes, if you look at the stochastic, this is comfortable. The MACD is staying bearish. RSI is almost flat. Coming to 2 hour chart, likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, you can see this. Then, and if it breaks below this, then certainly more bearishness is going to be seen for the day. Yes, prices may reverse completely. What is happening right now is lower highs and almost double top levels. Yes, breaking past 1954 is where the bulls will try to take over again. That is the only zone below on which the bulls will be active here. As long as 1954-55 is respected, we are not going to treat gold as bullish. Also look at the 20 period moving average, right now sitting in between 44, 43 levels. This is again going to make it a greater support here. What I do see here is the double top and possibility of a retracement exists here, but only if it stays below 1944-45 levels. The stochastic rising, MACD has crossed over, trading with a slight bearish bias, looking downwards. RSI is staying overbought on the 2 hour charts. Coming to the 3 hour. Now look at the 3 hour charts, see double bottom here, reversal here, couple of green candles. Now couple of green candles with increasing body size suggest that there is slight bullishness. At the same time, the levels here at 47.5, 48 is going to remain a great support. That yes, if the prices stays below 47.5, you can stay short for 45 and then 40. 40 is the first support levels which I will be looking forward to, and then 1935, below which only further bearishness is going to prevail here. If you look at the complete movement on the 4 hour charts, see, prices are still trading in this channel. The bottom of this channel is somewhere here at 40-35 zone, which is definitely a great support. The prices might retrace towards this zone, else it will wait for the moving average to come up. That is why we can see very minuscule movement here on the upside and the downside both. The stochastic is flat, and the MACD here has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. It appears that, see, the bullishness here is diminished and it can continue on the downside right now. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour charts, my only point here is that 3 red candles with minuscule movement. At the same time, this could be a reversal candle. Look at the body size, almost 50% of the complete movement. Yes, it tried to stay bullish but got a pullback. I will expect if it breaks below this zone at 1947.5, more bearishness, and then below 1944, that is the point below which we can say that the bears are taking the control here. Yes, too much of divergence of the price from the moving average, which is right now sitting at around 34-35 levels, which is a great support. It can some point of time achieve these levels. Yes, if you look at the trend line here, it is right now giving it a support somewhere here at 35. So these levels are certainly going to play a very major role if the gold slides towards on the downside. Stochastic flat, MACD trying to cross over for a sell. It is just almost crossed over, but not yet divergent. If a greener candle appears now, possibly it could stay bullish from here. But RSI is certainly staying overbought consistently. Coming to the day, now look at the daily charts. Very small movement is seen so far. And yes, the highs are done. Possibility of a retracement exists. It can try to, but as I said, as long as 1935 is respected, do not treat this as a reversal. Below 1935 is where slight bearishness may appear, and then you can in fact expect it to completely reverse. But right now, it is only possible. It has to break past the milestone. First, you can sell at 1947.5, expect 44.45 as the first target, then 40 as the next, and then 35. Yes, 35.40, crucial zone for gold for the day, below which only further bearishness is going to prevail towards 30 and 25 levels. On the contrary, on the upside, I will recommend you to buy at 1955. Now, beyond 1955, one can expect that we will look forward to 58.5 and 60 first target, 63 next, and then if it stays beyond 63, 64, you can expect that 1970 and 1980 levels are the targets which can be achieved. But I still see that there could be slight retracement before a rise here. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at crude oil, and before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you can join my mentorship batch. 26th batch is started on 16th of October. 27th batch is going to get launched on 28th of November. Book your seats now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Now see, US crude on the hourly chart. First of all, a resistance was created here at 87.3 zone. Failing to break past this zone, it has seen a sharp drop towards 85.5. Now what has happened since then? The drop, this is trying to retrace. Possibly it can try to reclaim 86.5, 86.6 again. And if it stays above 87, consider this for a reversal. Yes, if the price stays above 87, 87.3, certainly consider this for a reversal, and we can expect a massive V-shaped recovery, and beyond that, bulls might take over. Stochastic rising from the oversold. The MACD is still bearish, continuing to stay bearish. Possibly we can see a conversion and a crossover here. RSI is rising too. Coming to 2 hour. Likewise on the 2 hour chart, see, preceding candle was a swing candle after the sharp drop. Yes, it has taken the support from 85 and it is trying to rise a bit. Right now, double top is seen. I will expect it to retrace a little further towards 86.5 and then 86.7, 86.8 zone. Very good resistance there. And a complete reversal can only be expected once it breaks past this zone here at 87, 87.3. Breaking past this zone is only the reversal confirmation, beyond which certainly we can say that the bulls are taking over. Now what has happened here? I have drawn this yesterday also. I am drawing this again. See this, higher lows, higher highs. So oil is still trading in this bullish channel. Remember the fact, oil is still trading in this bullish channel. It has hit a bottom and trying to reverse. Thus any rise beyond 87.3, 87.6 zone, stay long, we are looking at 88 and 89 levels. In fact, 90 can also be expected if it continues to stay on the upside. The stochastic has dropped. MACD is divergent. MACD is bearish. Possibility of a conversion exists here. RSI is almost staying flat. Coming to 3 hour. If you look at 3 hour chart, similar observation here. Yes, higher lows, higher highs. Price is always retracing towards the bottom and trying to bounce back. Now, if you look at where should we consider this for a reversal, yes, 86.5, 86.6 zone, or rather I will say 86.5, 86.8 zone. Once it breaks past by, we can look forward to 87.2 levels, which is going to be a greater resistance. And once it breaks past by this zone, then you can say that the prices have reversed and it is going to achieve higher highs. Yes, still staying in this channel. At the same time, any drop below 85.5 should be taken up very seriously for 85 and 84.4, 84 levels here. 84, 86 is a complete resistance zone for crude oil. Stochastic at bottom, MACD divergent and bearish, looking downwards as of now. RSI is flat. Coming to 4 hour, if you look at oil on the 4 hour chart, see, this was a major breakout candle from the support levels here, and this has yielded lower highs. Now this candle trying to retrace a little, but The possibility of a second red candle still exists strong. It may try to achieve these levels 85, which has created the base, and then 84.5, which is the bottom here. In the morning update, in the Asia session update, I have shown you one thing, that see double bottom, flat bottom here, and higher highs. Now higher highs and double bottom suggest that there is a possibility and probability for it to break towards this zone, and hence once you see it staying below 86, further you can take a sell entry for 85.5, 85, and then 84.5. Yes, this can create a triple bottom and an expanding triangle here. The possibility for this is there. At the same time, beyond 86.6 or 86.5, you can say that you can initiate a buying entry, but you have to remain extremely cautious alert. 87, 87.2, or rather 87, 87.3 zone is where maximum resistance is seen here. Only and only if oil breaks past the zone, you can treat this for a reversal. The stochastic at bottom, MACD has crossed over, trading with divergence and bearishness. RSI staying flat. Coming to the daily. On the daily charts, yes, it has seen a major swing, lower highs, lower lows. Now see, lower highs, lower lows. It has just seen the lows as of now. If it breaks part 87, 87.3, it can achieve lower highs as well, which is sitting right now at 88. Right now, what it is doing is a greener candle, a flag formation, and a breakout above 87.6, 87 or 88 levels should be treated as a bullish reversal. Yes, the lows are done, and if it is bullish, it can reverse completely from here. Hence, you have to be cautious. Yes, you can buy here at 86.6, and beyond that, one has to wait for 87, 87.3 zones to be breached. Beyond that, it should be treated as bullish. Stochastic coming out of the overbought zone, but MACD has crossed over at bottom. It is trading with little divergence here. Only couple of greener candles. We can expect it to reverse completely as well. RSI is flat. So looking at this, you can sell here at 86, but then be very, very alert. As long as 85.5 is respected, this is also 150 period moving average here. This is given a very, very good support, and thus 85.6, 85.5 is going to remain a great support zone for oil for the day. And below that, we may see a further drop for 85 and 84 levels here. At the same time, on the upside, beyond 86.6, you can buy. Expect 87, 87.2 is a major resistance. Staying above 87, 87.2, just stay long. We are going to look forward to 88, and then beyond that, 88.6, 89.2, 90 levels cannot be denied here. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss and a trailing stop loss. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch or signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. See you again with the Asia and Europe session update tomorrow. Join my free Telegram channel for more live updates. Thank you.